All right, guys, here we go. All right, we came here last week. We learned about one-step equation, two-step equation. Now we're gonna move on to a different standard. All right, the standard is interpreting and computing and solving word problems involving division of fractions by fractions. It's only one essence to the question. I put the question is only one. What is represented by division of a fraction by a fraction? All right, I got a short video. Make sure y'all pay attention and stay quiet. Dior.
Divide 6 by 2 and the quotient is 3. Keep, change, flip. It's all that you need to divide by a fraction. Here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction. Here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide 2/5 by 1/5. Keep, change, flip. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. It's an improper fraction, so you need to divide. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. When we divide by fractions, this is what we do. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip.
Keep, change, flip.
Keep, change, flip may seem to work magically, but it can be explained mathematically. With the number 10, we can divide by 2, and that will leave 5 in each group. Or we can find that 5 through a different path by multiplying 10 by 2 flip to 1/2. It's the trick that never fails called keep, change, flip. It's real math magic, so use this tip.
We understand with these problems we love, because we know division means has how many roots solved.
Let's explore that thought. How many groups of fourths does 1/2 got? 2/4 fit into 1/2 perfectly, and we found the quotient mentally. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip.
Great.
Visit numberrock.com for exclusive content.
All right, did y'all learn any of that in 5th grade?
No, sir.
No? Anything about it? Y'all know nothing about divine fractions? All right, that's great.
I remember key change flip.
Remember key change flip? Y'all remember it now, right?
Yeah.
Right? Great job. All right. Let's move on, guys. Open your Chromebooks, please. And type in the code. I'll give you a couple minutes. Ooh, bankroll? What's that? You got money? Sure. Gotcha. Is that everybody? Yes. No. Is everybody? All right, here we go. Make sure you follow along, pay attention. All right. When dividing with mixed numbers, you have to, what did that video say?
Change it from 13 mix.
What?
Change it from 13.
What 3 words they kept saying?
Keep change flip.
Alright, but we're divided with mixed numbers. Y'all know what a mixed number is? Y'all ever seen one before?
Yes.
Alright. 7 seconds. Time's up. Alright. Next one. Spoon. Okay. Change this mixed number to an improper fraction. You should not need a calculator for this. How y'all look up here? This is a mixed number right here. I need to change it to an improper fraction. Alright? I'm gonna multiply these two here. Alright, 3 times 7 is what? 21. Alright? Now what I'm gonna do to the top, I'm gonna add the numerator. 21 plus 5 is what? 26. And always I'm gonna keep my what the same? Denominator. Great job. That's exactly how you do it. Let's move on. This should be easy. 2 times 8 plus 1. Keep the denominator the same. Great. What did y'all get? 17 over 2. Next one.
Big Dad. You picked the wrong one, though.
You picked the wrong one.
Yes, I didn't pick that one.
You messed up. Definitely you.
I picked Keith.
What does KCL mean?
Keith
Change
flip.
flip. Good.
Ain't gonna be wrong.
That's a weird name. Who is Pooh Winky?
Who said that?
Pooh Winky. Alright. Y'all know some of this stuff. Y'all had to learn some of this last year. Alright, keep the first fraction. Change division to multiplication. Flip the second fraction.
Butterfly method.
Oh, that's fine. Most of y'all got it. Alright. Even though most of y'all got it, y'all look up here. Alright? This first fraction right here, we're gonna keep it. This is not gonna change. We're gonna change division to multiplication. Alright? You read my problem. We're gonna flip this. Take the reciprocal. Y'all learn that later when y'all get to 7th grade. Alright? 21 will be on the top. 8 will be on the bottom. Alright? What's 3 times 21? Y'all do that in your head. 63. Good job. What's 8 times 7?
56.
56. That's a great job. All right. Good. Let's keep moving. After you keep change flip, follow the steps for multiplication. Cross cancel. I think that's what it means. Y'all ever heard of butterfly method? Whatever. All right. Multiply straight across. All right. Numerators together, denominators together, self-explanatory, and simplify if needed. Do y'all know how to simplify?
No.
No?
Yes, yes. Somewhat.
A little bit. Let's do a problem. All right. Hey, come to the board for me, please. Yes, you might. All right, Mike. I'm going to give you a regular fraction, not improper, not mixed. I don't see you simplify. All right. Then I want you to explain to the class how did you get your answer. All right. I'm gonna give you this right here. Numerator of 8, denominator of 12. want you to simplify. It's the simplest terms. What's your first step? Divide by?
You gotta let's say something.
You said divide by 8? Oh, show me first.
Number 2. Zero. So it's 2.
Is he doing it correct?
No, he's not.
No? Does anybody else know how to? Anybody want to give it a shot?
I can't remember, but I know how to do it.
You tried, Dior?
No, sir.
Samantha? You tried? Let me give you another one, because you probably already figured out the
My
answer.
name is Brenda.
Alright, we'll give you 10 over 15.
Oh, Gigi.
Ready? Sit down, Mike. So try. Keep going.
You're doing it good. You got this.
Is she correct?
No.
No, she ain't. It's okay. Look, it's good effort. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you myself. Let me show y'all real quick. When we get back up here, I promise you I'll be the first two I call.
No, I don't see it.
All right. All right, everybody pay attention. Y'all throw some numbers at me. Throw me a number. 25.
21.
25.
All right.
4.
4 and 16. That starts simple. All right, I'm gonna do like 3 of these. All right, I'm trying to simplify. I think when I said simplify, the first thing y'all thought about was long division, and that's what Mike did. That's what Retta did as well. That's not what you do. All right, what you do is y'all ever heard of GCF?
Greatest common factor.
Greatest common factor. Greatest common factor. Okay. So you got to find the greatest common factor of 4 and 16. What's the universal even number? You got 2 of 2, right? So we can start with 2. Whatever you do to the top, you gotta do to the bottom.
So I was right.
4 divided by 2 is 2. 16 divided by 2? 8. All right. Most people look at this and be like, okay, I'm done. Am I done?
No, you got smaller.
Can I make it smaller? What I gotta do? Divide by 2 again. 2 divided by 2? 8 divided by 2?
4.
4. All right, look. Whenever you got a numerator of 1, you can't simplify no more. All right, so that's exactly how you simplify. All right. Now, can somebody do it correctly for me?
Yes, me.
Susie.
Who is Susie?
Y'all throw some numbers at me.
10.
12. That's a good number.
61.
60 is great. We have a class. I told you.
I don't want to come here. Amir, Miss Moore said, do you want to redo your thing or not? Straight.
You good?
Bye.
Good. Is she correct? Good. Now look at this process though. She is correct, but the process is kind of drawn out. All right, let me show you a simple way. All right, we'll take 12 over 60. And the more and more you do factors and more you do multiples, you'll just know in your head, can 12 go into 60 by itself?
No.
Oh,
Yes, right? So 12 going to 60, so we can divide by 12. All right? That is a common factor. All right? Matter of fact, it's the greatest common factor. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. 60 divided by 12 is 5. Alright? So basically, my process was just way shorter than hers. But just a great job. Alright? Let's continue with the PowerPoint. Good job, Susie. Can you cross cancel before multiplying these fractions? Seven seconds. Yes, no.
I put no.
Who got it right? Right, you can't cross. No. Here we go. Can you cross cancel these fractions? Can 6 going to 24? Can 7 going to 21? Always pay attention to that.
I got it wrong.
Can you or can you not?
You can.
You can. Good. We'll do about 2 more. We ain't gonna spend too much time on this. Lewis, you're doing a great job. Where's Lewis? Good job, Lewis. The 7 going to 23, the 8 going to 17. I can tell you.
Got this one right. This one right here.
You got that one? You sure?
Nope.
You got it wrong?
I thought it was right.
Was it yes or was it no?
No.
It was no. You can't.
Because 7 not in the 23 not in the multiple of 7.
Exactly. That's a great job. Really easy.
Good job.
Come on, here we go.
Okay, I got
Matter of fact, if you get this right, I get everybody 10 points on your next test.
Okay.
Multiply. Now don't let it confuse you. It didn't say divide. I know the first thing y'all want to do, the first thing y'all want to do is keep changing flip and just saying multiply. Alright, remember that.
I'm not. I feel good pressure.
Come on. This was 10 points on the test. 10 points.
Oh, y'all get y'all points.
You got it wrong?
I was gonna. I did the butterfly method. That's why.
After I just said not to do that.
I wasn't thinking. My apologies.
It's all good.
Kizzy, leave me alone.
Alright, okay. For the people who got 15 over 4, how did y'all get that?
Because we did the butterfly method.
4 times 1 and then 5 times 3.
We did the butterfly method. We did.
So y'all still no. Look, anytime they threw this in kind of mess up. Look, anytime you're gonna multiply fraction, and that'll probably be on Friday when we do that. Alright? Anytime you multiply a fraction, you just go straight across. 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 5 is 20. Alright, let's move on, guys. Let's go on to we're gonna do kind of a quick. I want to see what y'all already know. It's kind of like a pre-assessment. See what y'all learned last year before we move on. I think it's 15 questions. Shouldn't take long. Let me know you're done. When you're done, close the Chromebook. All right. After that, I got a worksheet for you. We'll do a few problems on the board, like we just did. I called some of y'all up there to work it out, because sometimes a student can explain to y'all better than I can. All right. So I'll let Dior do one. Samantha, you'll do one. Brady, you'll do another one. All right. Lewis. All right. Y'all get ready to type in the code. Ah. call by your middle name, all right. 4 more people. Is it? Is everybody? I thought 15 last time. Who's not in? Yeah, it is. All right. Here we go.
You can get a piece of paper.
You can. Who moved my paper? I got some right here. Anybody need paper? Anybody else need paper? You look like you need some paper, man. Like you're struggling a little bit. Need help, just raise your hand, all right? First day. Anybody struggling?
I need help, coach.
Yes.
I need you. I'm struggling on this.
Miranda, you all right? Two. Yes.
I need help.
What's too fast? When you're done, close your Chromebook, please. Yeah. So what would you say? 2 times 1 plus 1 is gonna be 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Times 4 over 3. Then you gotta flip it. You gotta flip it. Good. Really? It will. I wanna do the butterfly. So we're gonna do butterfly right here. But this fraction is still flat. And the other side It's all good. It's your first day. We'll work on it. What about you? You got it? Yeah. Who's still working?
Me.
You done? What you make? What's that second. 80. That's a great job. Ball sports right now? Super quick. Alright. You'll keep that the same. 1/4 times 2. Kept the first fraction. Change from division to multiplication. 2/4 simplified to 1/2. Alright. Well, I guess they do want you to keep that. So right.
Keep Samantha. Stop. Stop.
So you gotta help me. You know that. 5 more people. Almost done. 13. What you made? Pound. What you made? Huh? Really? We got one more practice coming up. Hey, let's see, can we get just to 70%, man? Let's see, can we get, we only got 5 people left. Let's see. Click it. It's not 4th grade, we're just trying to see where we at. Click it. Work it out.
Thank you very much, Amanda. I'm gonna change it.
I made a 73.
That's not bad. Two more.
Susie, what? You did your work? Yes. What you made?
100. I'm the first star. Huh? I'm fourth. Huh? I'm fourth. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving.
Billy.
Alright, who the last two?
Billy, stop listening to music.
Alright, I'm about to go in the ending.
Finish that.
we doing this. We're gonna have 15 minutes. Me too. But we can't. Look, I'm giving you this worksheet. Alright? Once you get the worksheet, all you're doing is put your name on it. Before we leave, we're only gonna do the first 9 today. We're gonna turn it in. So that'd be 9 of y'all that's gonna work it out on the board. Starting with you, Dior. Okay? You can pass these out for me? Thank you. Yes.
Coach, I need a pencil.
I got you.
Cat.
Yes.
Cat. Trinity. Cat.
Brenda, you be on weird.
Phone in class.
Louis.
It's your birthday. Cat, just. Come over here.
Dora. Emily. Mike.
Bro, we been friends since 3rd grade. Why?
That's me.
Amanda.
This is great.
Y'all.
Hi, Emma. Why are you so fast?
Here you go, sister.
I don't understand.
You were in the 6th grade.
Here you go, Susie.
I love down syndrome.
You're in 6th grade.
Who's that need a pencil?
Shut up, Stacey.
Pause on there.
Okay, read to my name's Michelle. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
I get up to
Adriana.
About done, about done. Alright, let's move on.
Mike.
Now you
Lewis.
can't move over there.
Everybody got one?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you.
No, he moved. He moved.
He told me I could.
Alright,
I'm not ready.
But I thought we had a sign saying,
What odd.
that was funny, man. Alright, so here it is up on the board. I'm gonna erase all this stuff. Who's gonna be my first victim here? Dior. You got to, you got to. Look, it's okay to be wrong, no, you cannot. All right now,
that's
wait.
Italian.
Amanda.
She gonna get sent to the bathroom.
Amanda.
She did. Mackenzie Samantha been a snitch.
She being a snitcher.
Alright, so you're gonna look at number 1. All right, let me see if I can-
Amanda, Michelle, and Susie.
Shut up, Katie.
Here we go. We got 2/3 divided by 5/6. Alright? I want you to walk us through what you're supposed to do.
Keep, flip.
How you say it? What's KCF mean?
Keep, change, flip.
Yeah.
So
So what you gonna do? What are you gonna keep?
you can't put 3. Is that a 5?
That's 5.
You can't. You can put 3 into 5.
Can you?
Can y'all put? Can you put?
Yeah.
No.
Keep change
Not
flip.
butterfly.
Hey, look.
Right,
Look,
with the whole-
we're not doing butterfly. I want you to keep change flip.
Change, flip.
Yes, so keep. What are you gonna keep?
Michelle Thomas. I ain't
2/3. What are you
Thomas.
gonna change? And flip it.
6, 5.
That's
There you
all.
go.
Now multiply straight across.
Like this.
Multiply straight across. Yes, ma'am.
6 times 2 is 12.
Great.
5 times 3 is 15.
Good job. Now can you simplify this?
Yeah.
Yes,
You want me to simplify?
please. I want the simplified version for the first 9. Alright?
15. 2.
What go? No.
No.
Does 2 go into
Oh, you
15
can't do
evenly?
that. No, you can't do that with it.
It doesn't. So you can't do it. What goes into 12 and 15 evenly?
3.
3.
I was gonna put it.
Try 3.
That's what I'm gonna put it.
1500.
Equals 12. 15 divided by 3 is
1500.
12 divided by 3 is 4. Can I go smaller?
No. She is correct. Make sure you write this down on your
What's
paper.
the answer?
Make sure 4/5 is your answer. Make sure you get the before simplified version. Alright? So before you just write down 4/5, make sure you write down 12 over 15. That's a great job, York. Good job.
I did horrible.
A little bit. All right, here we go. Who's next?
I have to write it down.
Okay, go ahead. 12 over 15 and 4 over 5.
Viviana, go.
Michelle.
Let me go.
Yes, see.
Mike, come on, man. You gotta redeem yourself. Mike, come on back.
I can't write it down.
All right.
It's your candy, yo.
All right, number 2. We got 9 over 10 divided by 1/2. Show what it do.
Go forward. Michelle says she wanna do it.
Michelle, wanna go?
Michelle wants to go.
Don't be shy. You can't be shy. It's okay to mess up. That's what we do here. I mess up everybody.
I'm after you. So
What's that, big boy?
You go. You get extra points on the test.
You divided by, you divided by 2.
Susie, you need the extra point.
So,
I have a 32. Don't worry about the streets.
is Mike correct?
No.
No.
Can he go small?
Yes.
Is Mike correct? What did Mike, he is correct?
Yes.
So it would be 9 over 5.
Yeah, I'll make it
Oh,
so it will be.
Michelle's
All right, hey, I'm gonna try my way real quick. Y'all tell me which one gonna be correct. So he got 9 over 5. I'm gonna try my way. All right. Is he correct?
Yes.
That is correct. Great job.
What was that?
9 over 5. Michelle, you gonna go? I told you get extra points on the test.
What's the non-breaking down?
Come, Michelle.
Yes.
What's the non-simplified?
Michelle,
What's the non-simplified?
18 over 10. Who going? I'm finna just start calling my people. Let's go, Louis.
I'm trying to do this. I'm doing it by myself. I don't need y'all help. Fine.
You sure?
Yes.
So we can just take a pop quiz right now.
Yes.
Y'all take a pop quiz?
No.
Bruh.
I mean, Dior said she got it.
I'm straight.
Let me hear it.
I'm straight. I don't need no test.
Susie got a 32 in this class.
Oh my god. You got to be right.
Billy Weeks. Billy.
Who's my next one?
You all want to go
Susie got
again?
it.
I want to go again.
Gabriel will go.
Can
Gabriel.
I go?
Gabriel, we'll go.
Yeah, okay.
Gabriel, Gabby.
Yes.
We will be twins.
Get it.
Y'all fraternal.
Yes. I'm pregnant.
Y'all some weird 6th graders.
All right, look, this is what Louis
Bruh, I
got.
have fun when I'm
Y'all pay attention. Gabriel, hush. All right, y'all pay attention. If I got 12 over 4, can that be simplified?
Yes.
What's 12 divided by 4?
3.
3. So the correct answer will be 3. Make sure you write 12 over 4 first. All right, guys, we're running out of time. All right, this is what you're gonna do. I was gonna take your papers up. I really was. I was gonna take your papers up. All right, but this is what you need to do. Take this home tonight. All right, take it home tonight.